What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today, I just got a new haul coming in, doing a review on the Alphalete Core Performance tees. This is going back to the April 18th, 2020 launch. Let's get to it. So, this time around, I got two shirts. I think these were available for the March 7th launch earlier this year. So the first one that we have is the Patriot Red Core Performance tee. So you see that right there. I don't know if it's gonna come out backwards for you guys. It just might. So so they got Core Performance, not opened yet. And then we also have the Army Green Core Performance tees. Also in size medium. Just so you guys know, I'm 5'10". I weigh anywhere between 170. If you know, I'm a little bit leaner, maybe like 10 to 12% body fat. And then when I'm like full on bulking, you know, I usually get to like 180. I think right now with everything happening, I'm shooting this during quarantine. I'm probably more on the 170, 175 range of things, just because, man, these home workouts just aren't the same, man. I miss the gym so much, like so much. I've been trying to stay fit, you know, using a pull-up bar, just hanging it on the doorstep right there. And then, you know, doing what I can with 3-gallon water jugs. So definitely not the same. Without further ado, let's go ahead and let's try on these shirts. So the first one, we got the Core Performance tee in red. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Look at that. I gotta say, man, these guys do a really good job with the packaging. I don't know how much it costs for them to make this, but you know, it's sleek, it's clean, customer experience. So here it is in red. Honestly, I mean, I love this color. It looks so good in person, in real life. That's it right here, Alphalete. Do another one. Woo! So this is the shirt. Honestly, I'm just really digging this color. Red is one of my personal favorites. You know, just always pops. Anytime you got red on, you know, you're always getting eyeballs in your direction. So, huge fan of red. This is it right here. It's called Patriot Red on the website. This is the Core Performance tee in size medium. So I'm a true medium. You got panel stitching, shoulder panel stitching on both sides. See it right there. You got Alphalete across the chest. Let's go ahead and try this on. So we got Core Performance. This is the shirt. Nice and tight around the arms. Not too tight, but definitely got a nice. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the shirt. So what's cool right here, you got a slight scoop on the bottom. It just fits super clean, man. Just this color really just pops, man. Like, it's just like, damn. All in all, very satisfied with this fit. It kind of has like the raglan sleeves, baseball tee kind of fit, but short sleeve. So here it is, the Core Performance in red. Really digging this color. Really digging this color. You know, you're gonna be turning some heads when you walk into the gym, you know what I'm saying? They'll be like, damn. So let's go ahead and change it green. So the next one we're trying on is the Army. So Core Performance tee in Army. So right here, nice and dark. This is honestly one of the darker, IG Army Olive, like that dark green. Usually like I usually see this color a little bit lighter, so this is definitely a lot darker than what I'm used to seeing. But here it goes, same thing. Olive tee. Got Alphalete across across the chest, and then also panel stitching on the shoulders. You see that right there. See it right there. Let's go ahead and see how this one looks. Got that new t-shirt smell. And this one's also clean, man. Just huge fan of the core performance tees. Just they feel real nice. So this is what it looks like. You got Alphalete across the chest. You got, I don't know, you guys can see the color better if I do this. There we go. Panel stitching across the shoulders. Panel stitching across the shoulders. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you right here. You got a slight scoop on the side and the bottom. Plenty of room in the trunk area. So when you huffing and puffing and doing those compound movements like the squats, deadlifts, all of that, you got plenty of room, not too tight, not a compression shirt. I'm very satisfied with this, to be honest. It just fits very, very clean. You guys can see a little bit more. Definitely see myself pulling up to the gym in this as soon as they open, because we're in quarantine right now, everything's closed. But yeah, super stoked about this shirt, man. It's a clean fit. And I gotta say, this purchase was really influenced by the previous launch. I pulled up and got the core performance tee in cargo, which I reviewed in a previous video. In the Alphalete line, there's like the lifestyle tees, like the scoop necks, essential tees, some of the ones that you would deem a little bit more fashionable or something that you'd probably wear on a night out with friends, night out on a date. The core performance tees, they have a lifestyle element to them. I could totally see myself wearing these out and styling them out, you know, on a date or going out with friends, you know, maybe something a little bit more casual. And like layer, like if it's cold, layer it over with a jean jacket, a leather jacket, or even a bomber jacket, right? And then maybe some nice jeans, Chelsea boots, or even, you know, some dope sneakers. Or you could definitely pull up to this in the gym, like wear this. I got some Nike shorts on right now, so I'm gonna pull this down so you guys can see the whole fit right now. But I could definitely see myself pulling up to the gym in these shorts and then this shirt, and then just throw on some matching green sneakers that I have. So, you know, you could definitely, I just feel like it's very multi-functional, very, very functional in terms of how you can wear it, in terms of if you want to have it for a day or a night out, or if you want to go ahead and use this for, shirts are phenomenal. The material's great, feels soft. Really digging this. So this is gonna be a short video, but thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope you guys found this review helpful. I drop videos just like this, product reviews, and then also I'm a big fan of cooking, do a whole lot of cooking, and that's because I like to eat, and then also because I eat for the gains. So you guys can go ahead and check out one of my other playlist videos where I go over rotisserie chicken recipes and grilled chicken recipes, stuff that you guys can make in under 10 minutes at home, so you guys can build lean muscle, quality muscle, but at the same time don't sacrifice your taste. And I know a lot of you guys are doing a lot more cooking at home because of this quarantine. So feel free to check those out. They're a resource to you. And then also, for those of you who are interested, I'll be dropping a 20 recipe cookbook with all my recipes that you can use for your meal prep. So that'll be coming out in the next couple days or so. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.